California boasts of the largest firefighting force in United States of America, and still wildfires are an annual affair. And yet again, even in this season, it was caught unprepared. So why does this happen every year? Let's try and decode this. Well, there are several reasons behind it. Number one, urban planning. The communities which face maximum impact are the ones built at the foothills of the mountains, and houses in many posh localities, including that in Palisades, which has suffered large damage. They are built high on the hills, and these perfectly align with the dry and warm winds known as the Santa Ana winds, which have been responsible for aggravating the wildfires. But these houses have been built decades ago, hence change is irreversible now. It is too late to think about it. But Los Angeles has started considering wildfires into account while reviewing the new housing development plans. Second, vegetation clearing warnings ignored. Well, people living in California in high risk areas, they are required to maintain a buffer around their homes. This is a 5-foot parameter which has to be free of vegetation, and this is known as defensible space. However, in practice, of course, this has not been followed uniformly. In fact, people are reluctant to clear the greenery surrounding their houses, and this has added fuel to the fire and the wind. Third, water running short. Well, the water system in Los Angeles was never designed to combat a wildfire. Hence, when multiple fires erupted, it couldn't keep up. It was only designed to supply water to the houses, to businesses, or perhaps deal with emergency situations of isolated fire incidents. But when multiple fires erupted, it is now facing a problem. The water tankers are not able to fill fast enough, the pipes have been ruptured, and it is not helping meet the overwhelming demand in the current situation. Fourth, climate change. Well, it is something that you no longer can ignore. It is quite evident on our faces. Record heat does make a fire larger, more destructive, and even harder to contain. But it is the other factors which lead to the climate change and also end up compounding the impact.